Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll guide you through on how to chat with Amazon customer service. Quick one, guys, when you're on your Amazon homepage, you want to click over here, click on this account section. Now click on the account itself over here. Once you click on that account section, scroll down until you see customer service here, tap on it or click on it. Then once you click on it, you then scroll down and then choose something else. Here they categorize for you the support, but choose something else over here. After that, you just click on I need more support or I need more help. After that, you see this option says chat with us. This means you're going to be chatting with customer service. Tap on start chat right now, and then it will then open up these prompt messages from Amazon. So here I click and see it says, sorry, it's not available. So this means you just need to wait until there's a customer service who's ready to chat with you. But basically, that's a procedure. Thanks for watching, guys. We shall meet.